Have you ever wanted to know how to create an adult coloring book like this one? I was curious and did it myself. Now I want to share my process with you.
First up, we're diving into Bookbeam. This handy Chrome extension lets us check out the top niches and hottest trends on Amazon.
With the Bookbeam extension installed, I'm going to hop over to Amazon and type in adult coloring. I'm going to choose the option that first appears, Adult Coloring Book for Women. You can see that there are several different coloring books available. Several of them have this comfy and cozy theme. Taking a closer look, this one makes $1,231 per day. We can take a look at the cover and see some of the interior pages and the back cover of the coloring book. Here's another one. This one makes $1,231 per day and sells anywhere from 385 to 878 sales per day. So we can take a look at all of these different listings in order to get an idea of what types of coloring books are selling. We see that the cute and cozy simple drawings with the thick lines is in demand. From adorable animals to peaceful scenes and cozy cottages, these coloring books offer a relaxing escape and have become a top pick for winding down. Now I want to show you how I use ChatGPT to create a similar style coloring book. I'm going to use D.I.Y by ChatGPT and give it the following prompt. Adorable cute cartoon rabbits in cozy house coloring book thick line art style. Now let's see what it comes up with. These are absolutely adorable and I can definitely use these images inside of my coloring book. I'm going to give D.I.Y several more prompts to generate more images. The more descriptive you are, the better. For example, you can give prompts for rabbits to be in cozy clothing, or playing in a pumpkin patch. Now once you have generated all of your images, you will need to be sure to save the images to your computer by clicking on the download arrow. Next, we are going to set up the interior pages inside of Canva. Our Amazon book is going to be 8.5 inches by 8.5 inches in size. This means that we need the interior pages to be 8.625 inches by 8.75 inches to include our page bleed. Now go over to Canva and click on Custom Size. Enter in 8.625 inches for the width and 8.75 inches for the height. Click Create New Design. Now we need to look at what our gutter margins need to be according to our page count and set the margins inside of Canva. Our page count is going to be 24 to 150 pages, so our gutter margins need to be set at 0.375 inch. Now go back over to Canva. You will click on File and go to Settings. Next, click on Add Guides. Now click on Custom and set the columns, gap, rows, and gap all to 0. Set the margins to 0.38 inches and click Add Guides. Now that our guides are added, we are going to start adding our coloring book interior pages and aligning them correctly. Click on Uploads and start adding the AI-generated images that you created and saved from D.I.Y. Now let's add the first image and align it to fit within the margins that we created. You want to get it sized just right in between the margins and be sure that it is centered on the page. You are going to add a total of 88 pages. You will add an image to all of the odd number pages. For example, pages 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. Once we finish formatting our interior pages, it's time to format our front and back cover. We are going to go over to Amazon KDP Cover Calculator. Enter in paperback for binding type. Choose black and white for interior type. Choose white paper for paper type. Reading direction will be left to right. Measurement size is 8.5 by 8.5 inches. Page count will be 88. Now you're going to click on Calculate Dimensions and you will click on Download Template. Now we're going to hop back over to Canva and click on Custom Size. You are going to enter in 17.448 inches for the width and 8.75 inches for the height. Click on Create New Design. Now we are going to upload the .png cover template file from Amazon to Canva. Once you have it uploaded, you will add it to the page and stretch the template file to fit perfectly. Now go over to Elements and we are going to add a square. Take this square and stretch it to fit the left side of the cover, which is the back side of the cover. Now let's hop back over to D.I.Y and create a vibrant and colorful image for the cover. I'm going to give it the following prompt: vibrant color image of adorable cartoon rabbits in clothing enjoying fall season. I love this image and this is the one I'm going to save and use. Now I'm going to hop back over to Canva and upload the cover that I downloaded. Now I'm going to add the cover image and stretch it to fit the right side of the document, which is the front cover. Now I'm going to search Canva for cartoon book covers for inspiration for the title. I'm going to select this cover and copy and paste the cover title to my cover. I like how the font looks and I want to use it. Now you will see me play around with the cover title and font until I get it perfect. I'm not going to bore you with this part. I'm going to speed things up. Now we are going to focus on the back and add some of the interior pages so that people can see a preview of what is inside of the coloring book. I'm going to change the black square to a color that is more flattering with the cover image. I just had an idea to add an image to the back that looks as though it has been colored in. I'm going to tell D.I.Y to give me an image that is halfway colored in. The prompt that I used is adorable cartoon rabbits in a fall scene, with half of the image colored and the other half left for coloring. I love this image and this is the one that I'm going to use. I'm going to play around with getting my back cover just how I like it. I'm going to speed this part up. I'm going to add some crayons just to make mine a little different. I'm going to make this red part transparent for a moment just to check to see where the barcode on the book is going to go. I want to make sure that I'm not placing an image in the way of where the barcode is supposed to go. This little yellow rectangle is where the KDP barcode will go. Now the cover is ready to be downloaded. Click on Share, choose PDF Print for the file type, and choose CMYK for the color profile and click Download. Now the interior is ready to be downloaded. Click on Share, choose PDF Print for the file type, and choose CMYK for the color profile and click Download. This is what the interior looks like and this is the cover. This is absolutely adorable. Let's hop back over to Amazon and take a look at the title and description of one of these listings for inspiration. I will show you how to use ChatGPT to help you with your listing description. I'm going to copy and paste the title of this listing straight into ChatGPT. I'm going to tell ChatGPT to create an Amazon listing similar to this one, for a book entitled Comfy Bunny's Easy Coloring Book. This is what I can use for my title, and I can adjust it as I need to. Next, we can copy and paste the description right into ChatGPT as well. We can ask ChatGPT to create an Amazon product description similar to this one, and we can edit it where needed. Now let's hop over to Amazon KDP and get ready to upload our coloring book and get it listed for sale. You're going to sign in, click on Create and choose Create Paperback. For book title, you can copy and paste the book title that you created in ChatGPT directly in the book title box. For description, you can copy and paste the product description that you created in ChatGPT directly in the description box. Check the first option for publishing rights, choose No for sexually explicit images. Primary marketplace Amazon.com. For categories, I'm going to choose crafts, hobbies, and home. Coloring books for grown-ups, humorous, and animals. Be sure that the low content box is not selected. For the keywords, I'm going to enter in some of the terms that populate when I do a search on BookBeam. So you see, when I search for adult coloring book on BookBeam, there is a list of different terms that populate. These are terms that people are searching for, and I'm going to use them for my keywords. I'm going to choose the first option for publication date. Choose the first option for release date. Click Save and Continue. Get a free KDP ISBN and click on Assign ISBN. Choose black and white interior with white paper. Select 8.5 inches by 8.5 inches for trim size. Choose bleed PDF only for bleed settings. Choose glossy for paperback cover finish. Click on Upload Manuscript, and we are going to upload the interior of your coloring book here. Select Upload a cover you already have and upload your custom cover here. For the AI-generated content area, it's self-explanatory. You will just go through the different options and select what applies to you. Now click on Launch Previewer and be prepared to wait a few minutes for it to load. Now the book is loaded and everything looks good to go and appears to pass the quality check. Take a look at everything and click Approve when you're done. Now let's scroll down and finish up the listing process. You see that the printing cost is $2.84 per book. Click Save and Continue. We're going to enter in $7.99 for pricing so we can stay in a similar range as the listings that we have studied. Now that pricing is all taken care of, we are ready to click the Publish button. Now the book is in review and Amazon will notify you within 72 hours once it's approved and listed for sale.